Let's see how le plays with other letters. Today we want to see where in the word we have le and how it attached to other letters. Look at it. Lowercase le, capital le. This one comes at the beginning or in the middle, like many other lowercase letters. And this one, as capital, always come at the end. And one more thing that you should know, this one always attached from here and sometimes attached from here, and it depends on the letter before that. This one sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. I forgot to make this part red, but you should know that it will be attached from here, somewhere here, okay? Now let's see how they look like in the actual words, and you will remember. Look at them. At the beginning, as you can see, it attached to another letter because it has to. Here, it attached from both sides. Here, it has to, it has no choice. Here, as se wants to attach, lowercase se wants to attach, so it has to attach. Here, as a doesn't want to attach, so it wouldn't attach from here, but it has to attach, so it attached to she. And here we have it attached to ge, to lowercase ge. Here it's separate. Yeah, and let's read them together. First one, lebas, lebas, lebas. If you pay attention, you can actually read it even without my help. Lebas. Lebas is the same as clothes in English. Lebas, clothes. Next one, you know this one. We had it so many times. Salam. Salam. Salam is the same as hello in English. Next one, balish. Balish. Balish is the same as pillow in English. Next one, gul. Gul. Gul is the same as flower in English. And the last one, pool. You can read it if you pay attention, right? You know all the words and vowels in this one. Pool. Pool. Pool is the same as money in English. So we have clothes, hello, pillow, flower, and money. And in Persian, lebas, salam, balish, gul, pool. Let's see what we have for practice. Well, as you know the pattern now, these things are super easy for you guys. I'm sure that you know all the vowels, and now you know the pattern of attaching letters together. So 1 or 2 lines, write down this one and make the part that it can attach to other letters in red, and 1 or 2 lines for capital, and the part that I forgot to make it in red, don't forget to make it in red so you know that sometimes capital le can attach, like here. Try to write down each one of these just once, no pressure, want to practice, that's only for practicing, just once. And for these new words, you know that right now. Instead of saying clothes, we say lebas. Instead of saying hello, we say salam. Instead of saying pillow, we say balish. Instead of saying flower, we say gul. And instead of saying money, we say pool. That would be all. When you did it, comment for me and let me know that you did it. And if you had any questions, you know that you can ask me in the comments. I will answer. And surely you subscribed so far, but for new members, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow our videos. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.